what's good with y'all? We checking back in for another one. Like DJ Khaled, man, we the best. Hey, but look, over here at Joe Buddy Racing, I got these Michael Jordans right here in the back. Yeah, y'all see it. I got these 23s back here in the back. The Michael Jordans, man, they about to get mounted on them 15s in there, them 15 by 10. So we finna go in there and do that. And we're gonna check in and see what else we got going on today. I ain't been in the shop yet, but hey, we finna get this day started. Alright, y'all, look. So we got the 15 by 10 on here. Y'all see that thing wide. So we about to put the MTs on here, the Mickey Thompson Radial Pro Streets, ET Streets. They like 250 or something a tire, 255, something like that, 256. But they say ET Street, but they're not for street use, man. I like to throw that out there. The ones I got are not for street use. So, and we got the valve stem and all that. So he finna get this thing mounted up. That's it right there. That thing will get real wide. It's a 275 tire. So it's like a 28-10-5 slick. But like I said, it's a Radial Pro. And we're finna get these mounted up. Then get them put on the back. Put the front on. We're gonna see how everything look. Probably do that another day, y'all, cause Camaro at the house and all that. So did come up with the factory, right? Hey man, we gotta come up here anyway. We gotta get that kit on there, y'all. We're gonna about to switch all the plumbing over on the Camaro and stuff. So this should be 10 times easier than when y'all saw it put that 17 on. So I know a lot of y'all appreciate that video too, cause y'all didn't know you can get that tire on there on that 17 by 4.5. Everybody buy that expensive front runner tire. So a whole lot easier, ain't y'all? That's the problem. Oh yeah, gonna have to get this kit. We don't have no traction problems no more after these.
Shout. Ease up on that side. Ready? Special order. Alright. Let's try some.
Alright, y'all, so we got it off the top machine.
I got it. I want you to hold the air while I put pressure on the side. So I get it to the beat. Be straight on it. Have to put on the ring.
Alright, y'all, so look, I'm at a whole nother spot now. Aunt got a lot going on today, so he ain't have time to fight like he normally do. So I'm down here at my buddy Jegs shop. What up, brother?
What up, bro?
You alright?
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, man. I'm up here at Taylor's, man. All these people y'all seeing, man, they been with me way before this. So look, y'all hit them up. Taylor's, there go the information. He done saved my life before. I gotta give y'all a story about Jill. I got to give y'all a real deal story about Jill. And it's dealing with one of my big rim cars too. Jill saved my life, man. Like, I appreciate this man forever. Until I was stuck on the side of the road, man. It was like 3 in the morning or something. 3 in the morning or something. This man right here came and got me, man. Got up out the bed, came and got me. So I'm gonna I'm gonna get y'all this story, man. Let me get in here and we gonna get these rims, get these tires on these rims. So I get with y'all in a minute. All right, so look, like I said, we over here at Taylor's. We over here at Taylor's Towing, man. Aunt didn't have time to fight with it. He over there working on about 2 different things, so came over here and we finna make it do what it do. Get these 275s on these 10-inch, so damn, I'm telling y'all. Man, what? Hold on, man. What is that? what is all that, man? Good God Almighty. That ain't no joke. Well, I hope y'all enjoy it. That ain't no joke right there, man. That's something serious. But look, I gotta give y'all this story about Jeff for real. I'm telling you, that man saved my life. That man saved my life, boy. 3 o'clock. Look, hit him up. Hit him up. That's the number. I'm talking about tow everything. Huh?
How much are you?
It don't matter, just some. Cause I'm gonna drop it anyway. I usually run 18 and I think they run about 18.
Might put a bunch in there and get popped.
Yeah.
Put a bunch in there to get
Yeah, I know it. I know it. Man, y'all see how quick they was. That's what y'all talking about in the comments, boy, having that newer stuff. But yeah, we got one. Got one on there. And get that one on. I'm gonna show y'all that again when they do that one. So y'all just stay tuned. Hey y'all, this thing right here is amazing. I know some of y'all in the comments already know this thing. This thing here is the truth, bro. That thing there is the truth. And watch how fast it's gonna be. That thing right, boy. Yeah, I gotta get back. I'm finna go out the door. I'm finna go out the door, boy. That thing here right. Hey, boy, that thing there amazing. That thing is amazing.
Take it out. Oh, here.
We need one of them at the shop. We got to get one of these at Joe Buddy Race, man. We got to. Then my buddy too, man, Brent, man. We've been cool a long time, years, man. So. There it is. They're quick. I told you they right, boy. They right, man. Boy, that thing's amazing. But yeah, hey, I cannot forget. I got to give y'all that. I got to give y'all that story, man. Y'all gonna trip out on that story. Oh, I might save for another video. I don't know, cause it's a long. I got to give y'all the full story, man. Y'all gonna trip out. But yeah, that's it. Got these radios now. We finna have some hooking action going on. So we're gonna get back over to Joe Buddy Racing in a minute, and I'll talk to y'all over there. Alright, y'all. So we checking back in, and say about to close this video out. A little short one today. Just trying to show y'all every little bit and piece of anything I got going on with any of the cars and all of that. So we got the 15s. We got the 15s, the radials, all the tires, and all the tires mounted up on the rims and stuff for John Jones. So man, I'm ready to try them on, man. Try all 4 of them on, see how that thing gonna look, get it on the track. The next thing I'm about to go buy a torque arm, cause I gotta change that torque arm now, cause I'm scared that's gonna break when I run the car with the radials. So even though I got them on, I'm not ready to run it. I got to change that torque on, but I probably take a trip to Summit just to get that content for y'all. Really don't like driving up there all the time, cause I had to go up there so much for my S10 I built. But I probably take a trip to Summit, make a little video out of it for y'all. Cause luckily here in Georgia, like I stay about an hour and a half from Summit, so I can go up there anytime. So I'm gonna go pick up that torque arm, probably end up running the UMI torque arm, and get a new aftermarket cross member with a safety loop and all that in it, and put that on. Then we'll be ready. I'll be ready to try the radials out, and then, you know, switching over to the HURON speed kit and changing the fuel system to run E85, bigger inject and all of that. So yeah, and then that car will be complete. I'm not doing nothing else. I don't care if somebody fast or how fast they go. That's gonna be it for me. I think the car should make enough horsepower to run a 590. That's what I want to do. I want to have a legit 5 second, 1/8 mile street car. I might take it to the track, run in the quarter one time, just to get a quarter mile time. I know some of y'all want to see that, but here in the South, we run 8 mile. Run a lot of 8 mile, but I know some of my people up north want to see that quarter mile. And it's a track around the way I can go to, but I know as soon as I make a pass, they're gonna kick me out the track. So I ain't got no cage and all that stuff in it, even though I'm gonna put one in it, but still. But yeah, that's it. Y'all see the box down there. You saw the last one, the last vlogs. Y'all know I got the locks off, and I'll be putting the 9C1 rims on it soon. I'll be putting the 9C1 wheels on it, and yeah, man, it'll be going in the shop, getting the motor dropped in, and hey, next week on this channel, y'all gonna want to be tuned in. It's gonna be a lot of stuff going on, not only with the box, but with John Jones too, with Camaro. Like, I'm talking about some changes. Like I said, this week been kind of slow motion on the content because of the weather, and y'all see it's finna rain now. But next week it's going down, man. I'm getting some new hard tires for John Jones. Probably gonna put the turbo kit on, switch it over. Torque on, going to get a torque on. Hey man, I'm dropping the bag next week. Just cut it short. Like, I'm buying parts. It's gonna be crazy parts coming next week for that box. Gonna be parts coming for John Jones. It's gonna be stuff getting done, wrenches getting turned. So hey, you definitely want to tune in next week. So hey, if I don't get another video up this week, man, y'all just stay tuned just for next week. It's going down. So appreciate it.